Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video that is related to standard deviation. Obviously, this is the standard error of mean, and before going to this topic I want to say sorry because I haven't uploaded any video last 15 days because I was busy for another work. And also thank you to all of you who have subscribed my channel again. So let's start. This is the standard error of mean. Its formula is the standard error of mean equals to SD divided by root over of n. SD means standard deviation and n is the sample size of the sample. If there is only one sample, then we can apply this formula. But if there are two samples, then we have to apply this formula. Okay. So here two problems are there, and second formula is standard deviation 1 square by n1, that is sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2, and these are the two samples when the deviation, and here obviously the SD are 2. Okay, so the first example here, find out AC of mean when the unbiased SD of the sample is 36 cases and is 23.6, sorry, SD of sample 36 cases is 23.61. Okay, so SD is 23.61. Clear? So we just put the values in the formula. SE equals to SD root over of n. So you put the value 23.61 root over n is 36. So value that is 23.61 by 6. So after dividing, the answer is 3.935. So this is the sample error. Clear? Or AC, standard error. So this is the way by which we can easily find out standard error from mean. Clear? If the mean is not there, this is the n. N means sample size. So if n is known to us and the standard deviation is known to us, we just put this value in the formula and we can easily find out the values of the standard error. So here this is the first example and this is the second example, and you can see here the two standard deviation is there. Okay, two standard deviations are there. That means one is 14.8, another is 17.9, and the n1 is 100 and n2 is 200. Okay, so we have to apply the formula is that. Okay, so just put the formula. AC equals to root over of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. So value is first one, sigma 1 square is 14.8 divided by 100 plus 17.9 by 200. Okay, so we all get squaring this 14.8, this is 219.04 divided by 100 plus 320.41 divided by 200. Okay, I am continuing this one in that side. Okay, by striking one line, so you can understand which one is first one and which one is second one. So here the x1 is the day student. Clear? And x2 is the this is the evening students. Clear? Now just calculating this, 2.19 plus 1.60. So what is the value? 3.79. So value become 1.9467. Clear? So this is the standard error. This is very easy sum, because you can easily calculate the standard error from mean by putting this by putting the values in that formulas. Okay, so I think you can properly it is understand, or it is understood by you. So first one, the find out the mean will find out the standard error of mean when the unbiased SD of the sample is 36. Here the x1 is 1, or that means sample is 1 and SD is also 1 and the sample size is 1. So that's why we just put this formula SD by root over of N. Clear? And putting the values, we will get this one, 3.935 approx. Clear? And here the sample is 1. In second case, you can see the SD is 1 and here SD is 2 and N1 is this one and N2 is this. That means the two samples are there. So we cannot solve we cannot find out this AC value by putting the values in the first formula. So this is the second formula, and just putting the values we will get the AC. So here I just put here the first standard deviations divided by first N1 and second standard deviation by the second N2. So by calculating this, it is just squaring this one and squaring this one, we will get this. So after that we will get this one and squaring of this we will get this. So this is the actual value of the standard error. Clear? Now I think you can properly understand how you calculate the standard error. Okay, let's start just in the next example. We will find out AC and SD in a problem. So first we have to rub this one and then we will do. This is one example where we can see that find out AM, that means arithmetic mean, standard deviation, SE standard error, and CV means coefficient of the variance. So here the length grade is 9, 11. 9 to 11, 12 to 14, 15 to 17 and 18 to 20. So first we have to find out the mid value. So how to calculate mid value I have already explained, so you have to check out the first video of the standard error or arithmetic mean. So this is the mid value. First we have to calculate the mid values, and then number of grain is there. So F is there, okay, and D is the formula is x minus A by I is the width, and here width is 3, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, so 3, width is 3, and 13 is the assumed mean, okay, 13 is the assumed mean, and this is this one, 13, and FD is that values and FD square that values. And then how to calculate? Just find out of the mid values from this one, and after that the F is there, that means first we have to add this one and we will get summation of F or N. You can say the capital N or the small n. This is 20, this is the sample size, and then we have to calculate D value, and this is the formula x minus A by I. So here is A means 13, so by calculating this we will get these values. Clear? and then FD. FD means multiplied of F with D. This is the F and this one is the D, and in that way we have to calculate FD. And then FD square, that means F into D. Okay, so by this formula, that means F into D, by this formula we will get these values, and after that we have to find out the summation of FD and summation of FD square, and then calculate this one. So first one is the arithmetic mean. The formula is A plus summation of FD by N into I. So A is 13 assumed mean plus 12 by 20 into 3. So here the value is 13 plus 1.8. Okay, first I have to check out this one. Okay, 20 and 12 by 20. Okay, so here the value is 14.8. Next we have to calculate the SD. That means the summation of FD square. This value is the 24. So put the value 24 and here put the value 20. This is the N, and minus FD square. This is FD square means this one, FD square. Okay, I have to write this formula in this. Okay, FD square. Clear? FD by N whole square. So FD is here 12 and N is 20, the square, into I is 3. So here the value becomes this one, 1.2 minus 0.6 square into 3. Clear? And here the value is 1.2 minus 0.36 into 3, and the value becomes 0.84 into 3. So this is 0.92 into 3. Clear? And the value becomes 2.76. This is the SD value. And now we have to calculate the AC value. The SD 2.76 and n root over of 20. So by calculating this, we will get the value 2.76 by 4.47. So the value becomes 0.617 or 0.62 approx. And CV is that 2.76 by 14.8 into 100. So value becomes 18.6. Clear? Okay, so these are the values. First one is the arithmetic mean, second one is the SD value, and third one is the AC value, and fourth one is the CV value. Okay, so here I just briefly explain, because I have already explained these related topics, that is CV and arithmetic mean, SD, in previous videos. Okay, so here just I briefly explain how to calculate the AC value from the example or from the problem. Okay, first 1 second. Sorry, I was just checking the calculation, is it all right or not. So here the AC value calculation is completed. So SD related all the topics I have totally explained in my all videos. Okay, so here AC is there only remaining topic. So today I explain this one. So thank you and continue with my channel.